We're going to make air fryer steak bites. First, you know I got that 30% off meat. Let it come to room temperature for about 30 minutes to an hour. Start with olive oil, add some Worcestershire. Also, I'm going to add garlic pepper seasoning. This has salt in it too. Mix them around. I preheated my air fryer 400 degrees for 5 minutes before adding these guys. You're going to want to add them in a single layer. The first time I cooked them for 4 minutes, and then the second round was 3 minutes. Honestly, if you like medium rare steak, I would do 3 minutes and 3 minutes at $3.90. In between your cook times, you're going to want to pull out the basket, shake them around, and make sure that they cook evenly. This is what they look like halfway, so almost completely done. I cooked it for another 3 minutes, and this is what they looked like. Super fast, super delicious. I should have cooked them for a little bit less, but you know, they weren't little chunks of charcoal like the first time I tried to use the air fryer, so I would say success. For my dinner, I served steak bites, I roasted sweet potatoes, and then I also made bacon stuffed mushrooms. You can find these recipes on my page. Please like and follow for more. Thank you so very much. And this is what my plate looked like. Super great for a date night if you want to impress your lover. Cheers.